Unlocking Warren Buffett's investment genius starts with understanding Berkshire Hathaway's sprawling empire. Welcome, aspiring investors, to a deep dive into how you can effectively track and comprehend the powerhouse that is Berkshire Hathaway's holdings. Forget simply glancing at stock prices. Today, we're learning to dissect their success, step by step. Our journey begins with the official source, the Berkshire Hathaway Investor Relations website. Bookmark this page. It's your gateway to all the critical information we'll be exploring. The holy grail for understanding Berkshire's strategy lies within their annual reports and quarterly filings. These documents, while dense, are treasure troves of insight. We're looking for the reports section where you'll find the PDF downloads. First, let's tackle the annual report. While the sheer volume can be daunting, focus on the financial statements, the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These are the bedrock of any company's financial health. Understand what each section represents: assets, liabilities, revenues, expenses, and cash generated from operations. Now, for the magic ingredient, Warren Buffett's shareholder letter. This is where the qualitative meets the quantitative. Read this letter meticulously. Buffett's prose is legendary for its clarity and wisdom, offering a unique perspective on the economic landscape, the performance of their businesses, and their investment philosophy. As you delve into these reports, pay close attention to the subsidiaries and investment sections. Berkshire Hathaway is a conglomerate. Understanding the diversity of their operations, from insurance giants like GEICO to energy companies and consumer brands, is crucial to grasping their overall strength and resilience. Identify their major operating companies and their publicly traded investments for publicly traded stocks. Note the percentage of ownership. This will give you a clear picture of where their capital is deployed and what drives their growth. Beyond just reading, analyze how are their different segments performing relative to each other. Are there any emerging trends in their investment patterns? Look for Buffett's commentary on specific industries or management teams. By consistently following these steps, engaging with their official reports, dissecting their financial statements, and absorbing Buffett's wisdom, you'll gain an unparalleled appreciation for Berkshire Hathaway's strategic foresight and unlock valuable lessons for your own investment journey. Start tracking today.